How to reach board 5 on Monopoly Go. Now, basically, for you to be able to reach the last board or the board 5 on Monopoly Go is just by simply keep on accumulating points or keep on accumulating funds, because the main reason why you need to put more funds on your Monopoly Go is because you need to upgrade buildings like this one. So our first board is coming from New York City. So we'll have to reach at least 15 upgrades for us to be able to proceed on the next board. So let's just try to upgrade those. Now, for you to be able to go to another board, just simply keep on playing the game and then keep on accumulating points or funds for us to be able to um, keep on upgrading these certain buildings that the current board that what we have right now. And there are also points, free dices, free funds. So say for example, we roll a dice. Okay, let's just finish this out right here. So what I have mentioned earlier, just to go ahead and keep on rolling the dice. So as the time passed by, we will be able to accumulate multiple funds, especially with heist. Like this one right here, we got around 720 dollars for that specific funds. And then that funds will automatically reflect at the top corner of your screen. And then once you have maximum amount of cash right here, or funds, you'll be able to upgrade these buildings until you reach 15 upgrades in New York City. And then once you have completed that, you'll be able to move to another board. Just repeat that process over time until you reach the board 5. So that's how you can reach the board 5 on Monopoly Go.